Hi, this is Jody. Welcome to Module 2 of Sustainable Systems Thinking. I'm really pleased to be here again with you for another week. I'm hoping that I've accomplished everything I need to accomplish as far as assembling the information for the modules for you. Please remember you can always reach out to me whenever you need to through a variety of contact methods, including my personal email, which is greenerjsa@gmail.com, and we'll get through it together. So here we go. We're going to go through what this module is all about. As always, there are many assignments that have to be done, including some reading and some video watching. There will be a quiz. It's not too tough. It's just to help solidify some of the information that you'll be reading and watching. As usual, you'll have to post ideas in the discussion forum and begin and post your reflections before the end of the week. What's different about this week is you will be selecting your STP topic. So make sure that you're paying attention to those pieces of the reading that are included in this module, and you should begin writing your intro for that project. That's the project that's going to span the whole semester. So take a look at that. When you're doing your sustainability topic project, make sure that your topic excites you, that it intrigues you, and that it has a co-benefit. So let me tell you what I mean by that last piece. If you are in another class and you need to understand something about waste management, then pick a topic that can help you meet the needs of that other class. Sustainable systems thinking is not just about making sure that each project is fully understood and can stand on its own. It's about an interdependence between projects. So if you can do deeper work because that work is solving several problems for you, which is also an aspect of multi-solving, that will help you to get more engaged in the project. And it will also be more beneficial when your peers in the class are reviewing the work. So take a look at that. So that's about the basics for this week. We're going to go through some of the definitions of sustainability. This module is really about, what is sustainability? So there are several definitions that have taken place through the years. I've included a few videos that had impact on me, so take a look at those videos. One of those is Keep America Beautiful, which was an advertisement. And it's one of the things that got me into sustainability, but surprisingly enough, that wasn't the intent of that advertisement. So learn about the Brundtland Commission and their definition of sustainability. We'll touch on regenerative practitioners and what their definition of sustainability is. We're definitely going to be engaged with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. And I encourage you to look around and see what other definitions of sustainability you find. Once you have a sense of what other people think sustainability is, we'll start to learn about what your definition of sustainability will be. And that's your biggest assignment for this module, is to create your definition of sustainability. And part of that is identifying patterns or conflicts in existing definitions. So the framework that I want you to use for developing your own definition is called a being, will, and function framework. This comes from regenerative practice. So the way this is done is you develop a sentence that has the pacing of to do something, that's the function part, in a way that has such and sort of an impact, so that creates a will, so that an ultimate goal happens, an aspirational goal. And actually, I'm going to make one up out of the top of my head. I am going to develop course content in a way that engages and encourages students in this class so that sustainability becomes a core principle throughout the rest of their lives. So put your definition of sustainability into that kind of framework. If you have questions on that, let me know. So in summary, for this module, we're really focusing on what sustainability means to you and how your perspective in the world what your economic status is, what age you are, how you've interacted in business or in your life to date, how all of these lenses impact your definition, and also how they impact the way you see the definitions that you're finding. And part of that is, why should we care about language and a definition of sustainability? And then once we have that awareness and that definition, how do our personal actions matter to that? And there you go. Thanks for joining us for Module 2, What is Sustainability?